Okay guys, this is a 2024 Ford F-250 diesel. Hardly any miles on it. Rebuilt title. Damage was along the side here. All been fixed up.
President. And it doesn't matter how common sense.
$27.95 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. All sorts of options here. 360 camera. We have bed cameras, hitch camera, side cameras, front cameras, all kinds of them. Well, this is got the locking diff. Looks like you got the locks one tire and turns around. You got heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats, power supplies, key.
Oh, and then
Downhill descent. All-weather floor mats. There's that VIN number. No sunroof on this one. Rear heated seats. Method wheels. Tires. Slow release tailgate. It's got the fifth wheel prep here. Struts there in the rear. Again, damage was right through here, this bumper, bedside, and a little bit on that front. Does have massage seats. B&O sound system. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.